Imagine building your dream home in Arizona, every beam, every wall, perfectly planned. But one mistake during the framing stage plumbing installation, and everything can fall apart. Hidden leaks inside fresh walls, mold before the paint even dries, thousands of dollars lost before you even move in. That's why choosing the right plumbing team isn't just important, it's everything. At Emergency Master Plumbing and Air, we make sure your home is protected from the start. Our expert team specializes in framing stage plumbing done the right way. Strong, secure, and built to last. No leaks, no surprises, just peace of mind. Before you close those walls, call us. Contact us now, 623-584-4706, or visit our website. Your dream home deserves a foundation you can trust.